What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on PLTR ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you two new amazing partnerships that Palantir just made. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that this formation and first of all let me show you the bigger picture. If I switch to 4 hours time frame, right here we have the major retracement from its all-time high right here, and we are about to enter the bottom of our C wave, and this C wave should have a shape of 5-wave structure, and we have this is our first wave, this is our second, third, fourth and fifth. And this structure is a bit confusing because we have two possibilities. First of all, we already finished the entire structure and the lowest point for now is $11.75. And the second option is that we have one more small leg to the downside in order to complete the entire fifth wave, in order to complete the C wave, in order to complete the entire retracement from its all-time high at $44.82. So, what should we expect next? I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news. And first of all, let me show you this article. It is the first partnership that we have for now. We are on Yahoo Finance and this article was published on February the 7th. And let me quote you this. Jacobs Engineering CEO Steven Dimitriou joins Yahoo Finance Live to discuss the company's purchase of mobility analytics leader Streetlight, the company's recent acquisitions, social equity and environmental solutions, and applications for AI and data. And right here you can read this interview or you can watch it right here. And I want to pay your attention on this paragraph. We've actually been entering into venture capital where we've been putting seed investments, companies like Hockey 360 or Microgrid Labs, and forming partnerships, and even broader, more recently big data partnerships with the likes of Palantir and others. And definitely we don't have any details about this partnership, but I have to say that this company is quite big. Let me show you their numbers and their company profile. So, Jacobs Engineering Group provides consulting, technical, scientific and project delivery services for the government and private sectors in the United States, Europe, Canada, India, rest of Asia, Australia, New Zealand, South America, Mexico, Middle East and Africa. And I have to say that it is quite big company. For now it has a total market cap of $16.51 billion. And this partnership might be very beneficial for Palantir. And let me show you this. We are on official Palantir's website, and this article was published on February the 10th, and it's titled Palantir Technologies extends partnership with FERRARI to bring data-driven performance decisions to race operations. And let me quote you this. Palantir Technologies, a leading builder of operating system for the modern enterprise, today announced a new one-year extended partnership with FERRARI to bring its world-class data and analytics technology to Scuderia Ferrari. In addition to Scuderia Ferrari, continuing to use Palantir's Foundry platform to propel data-driven performance decisions across the team's power unit. Palantir will become an official team partner of Scuderia Ferrari, significantly expanding its past relationship. Specifically, Scuderia Ferrari's power unit department ensures that the race car deliver optimal performance without exceeding their structural capabilities. And let me quote you Mattia Binotto, team principal and managing director for Scuderia Ferrari. And he told, "We are pleased to be extending and expanding our partnership with Palantir, with whom we share common values of relentlessly pursuing technological innovation and desire to continually improve. Data analysis plays a vital role in Formula One, and being able to count on an excellent partner such as Palantir can make all the difference. Tasks that just few years ago would take several minutes to calculation can now be carried out in a few seconds, thanks to solutions that have been in use through this partnership. And you might wonder why it is so important to use Palantir, huge Palantir's tool, in such a minor thing, engine engineering. And let me quote you this. A typical Formula 1 race season can often generate as much as 1.5 trillion data points. And this number should be properly managed and should be well organized. And that's why Palantir's Foundry fits extremely well to this type of data. And let me show you that it is not the only thing that they can use their platform. And right here at the bottom of their page you can find the offerings title. And right here we have plenty of industries that Foundry might be useful for. And you can find auto racing as well right here, data protection, defense, ecosystem, machine learning, and so on and so forth. So Foundry is a unique tool that can help a lot of companies to manage their data. And let me show you the institutional investors list, and I want to pay your attention on this chart. This is the institutional ownership month by month, and as you can see, blue line represents the price of Palantir stock, and green bars represent the number of institutional owners. And as you can see, despite of this decrease in price, blue line moves down. We have a huge increase in institutional ownership of this company. And definitely it is a very good fundamental sign that this company has a bright future. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me delete unnecessary tool. We have this consolidation phase, and definitely it is quite interesting structure because it is very difficult to make any assumptions of its waves, and we have potentially 3-3 structure at the ending wave, but we have 5-5 structure on previous wave. This means it is quite confusing to make any assumptions. Any breakdown will be forced. And in this case we have to wait, and we have to wait until the market reveals itself. And right here, as you can see, we have the key point that will take place on February 17th, and at that date we will see their earnings report, and definitely in my opinion they should beat an expectations. It is no guarantees, but in my opinion we might see these results. And in this case, especially if their forecast and their guidance will exceed the expectations of the market, this asset will skyrocket. Otherwise, we might have one more leg to the downside to complete the bottom of our C wave. And in these points, in my opinion, below $12, if we will hit this range, it will be the best price for this company for the long-term investors. So, what should you do if you want to invest in this company? We have two options. As usual, accumulate your position all the way down if we will see the red days. And if you want to catch the trade, if you want to swing trade this asset, it is not the case where you can enter your long position, because for now we have decent chances to hit lower ranges, and that's why until we won't see higher highs and higher lows without overlapping waves, only in this case it will be the signal to potentially enter your medium-term swing trade position. So, and the price targets are still the same. It is previous swing highs, and we have about 43% to this previous swing high, about 105% to this high, and more than 118% to the top of our B wave. And in my opinion, it is very good potential profits with this company, especially if you consider to invest it for the long term. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!